Macele was staying in Muzumbe for the first time. Musamseleku told Macele he want to have Eastern polygamy, so he is going to bring his wives to stay in Muzumbe. Macele says she can't stay in the same place with his wives. Musamseleku decided to buy a house in Sipak for Macele. Macele shifted and go to stay in Sipak. In Muzumbe, there is no one who was staying or is. Nompumelelo, Musamseleku's sister, was the person who was staying in Muzumbe. So Musamseleku got married to his second wife, Masaule. Masaule was not staying in Muzumbe. She had a house somewhere in town. So Musamseleku and his late wife, Masaule, decide to bring Makumalo. They say there is no one who was staying in Muzumbe, so they have to bring Makumalo. But they don't tell Mayeni. It was not fair because at that time Musamseleku got married to Mayeni. They pay lobolo, but they don't have a wedding. Musamseleku told Mayeni's parents that they have to stay with Mayeni and Mpumelelo because he want to build houses for them. Mayeni does not know that Musamseleku and Masaule, they decide to bring another girlfriend. So it was not fair to Mayeni that Musamseleku decided to bring Makumalo and help him to build houses. Mayeni was there. That's why Mayeni was commenting that everything Musamseleku he is doing, he was complaining about Mpumelelo. He got married to Amahle and they didn't tell Mayeni. That's Musamseleku was doing even at the first time. He was decide to do his own things, his project, without telling Mayeni. So Musamseleku was planning to build houses with Makumalo, build businesses with Makumalo. Makumalo was the one who was helping Musamseleku. What Mayeni's purpose to came as Musamseleku's wife, Mayeni only her job was to give Musamseleku kids. Because Mayeni came in Muzumbe, that house was already built. But Mayeni doesn't know that the person who built that house is Makumalo. Musamseleku told Mayeni's parents that Mayeni doesn't have a place to stay. Why he decided to bring Makumalo to stay in Muzumbe? He told Mayeni that there is no place to stay. Mayeni have to stay in her parents' house. It was not fair. It looks like Mayeni, she is a dump. She is a fool sometimes. I understand Mayeni's pain. That's why Mayeni, she was always rough to Musamseleku. All the things, when he want to plan things, he doesn't want to involve Mayeni. When he want to plan his own things, he can involve Macele or to involve Makumalo. So it was not fair to her, or maybe Musamseleku, knows his wives. I understand Musamseleku on his side. Because Musamseleku, they are in a relationship with Mayeni for a long time. Mayeni doesn't allow to build houses for other wives, for Makumalo and Mangwabe to come to stay in Muzumbe. Mayeni can't understand like that. And she was going to fight that other wives, they don't have to come in Muzumbe. So that's why Musamseleku keep a secret to Mayeni and decide to bring Makumalo first. He knows that when he start bring Makumalo and build the other houses, Makumalo is better. He can introduce Makumalo, and Makumalo was already staying in Muzumbe. Maybe Musamseleku knows that Mayeni is a very short-tempered person. She can't understand everything because Musamseleku was in relationship with Makumalo. But Musamseleku saw that Makumalo is very intelligent than Mayeni. Macele is an understanding person. She can understand better than Mayeni, but she is not active like Makumalo. She is not intelligent like Makumalo to have business ideas. So Musamseleku knows his wives that, okay, Macele understand that he want to have Istanbul. Macele decide to shift to go in Muzumbe. Makumalo agreed to build other houses because Musamseleku told Makumalo that because he was already introduced Mangwabe. Musamusele told Makhumalo about Mayeni. He want to build a house for Mayeni and Mangwavi. Makhumalo agreed. So Musamuseleku sometimes he knows his wives that Mayeni can't allow that thing to be happen, to build houses for other wives.